Sit back, relax, and enjoy the many benefits of therapeutic heat with a steam-filled environment infused with essential oils. Say goodbye to costly and cumbersome generators and bring wellness into your home with a Serene Steam Spa system. Once you switch on the Serene Steam Spa, you will initially notice a high-pressure burst of fine mist or spray exiting the steam flow location at the bottom of the unit. This initial burst, including the entire duration of your spa session, will be utilizing your hot water only and will gradually increase the amount of heat and steam into your shower's enclosure. This process usually occurs within minutes, and because Serene Steam is only utilizing your hot water supply, your shower environment will continue to gain heat and steam while the system is operating. In essence, we are separating the heat and steam vapors from your existing water heater and projecting them continuously into your shower enclosure during spa use. Serene Steam does not require any electricity at all and offers an impressive alternative to regular generators capable of reaching environmental temperatures of approximately 100 to 105 degrees Fahrenheit and above, while sitting on your spa bench. The intense heat zone, as described in our performance video, will depend on the size of your shower and water heater temperature. We recommend setting your water heater at 140 degrees Fahrenheit for best performance, although slightly less should still suffice. Serene Steam is not an electrical steam generator. Rather, it is a one-of-a-kind device which captures the heat directly from your existing water heater, and through its patented process creates a steam-filled, heated spa environment in the comfort of your shower enclosure. During spa use, your shower enclosure should feel similar to sitting inside a moist and heated environment with extreme humidity, creating the ultimate conditions to relax and unwind. Add a touch of essential oils into the mix and let your body and mind escape into a sensory symphony.